To the North Bay now, where the storm arrived this morning, and many folks were ready for a drenching. ABC 7 News reporter Cornell Bernard is live for us in Petaluma with how folks are coping. Good to see you don't have an umbrella right now.
Hey, Dion. Yes, so far so good here. We are seeing a slight break in the rain, but lots of umbrellas up all over town. And like Spencer says, more rain is on the way. And folks around here, well, they're ready for it. The rain took Sonoma County by storm Saturday. Windshield wipers getting a workout on very wet roads.
This is what we like to see, a nice clean drain.
Taylor Fry is making sure every storm drain in downtown Santa Rosa is clear and ready for a downpour.
But yeah, we're doing a great job. Downtown Parks is killing it. It's clean.
The city worker says with more rain coming, there's no time to waste.
Storm drain's not filled with leaves, so streets aren't going to flood. The water will be able to get down into the storm drains and out to the creek.
In Petaluma, neighbors living on Wyndham Way thought their street was flooding from the storm, but all this water was actually caused by a water main break, which took several hours for crews to repair.
The fireman was banging on my door saying if you want a car to drive later, you'll have to move it down the street because the street's going to be closed because a water main broke. So I started filling the bathtub and the sink, and shortly thereafter, the water turned off.
In San Rafael, umbrellas are up. For many, the rain is a welcome sight.
I think we need the rain, but maybe not all at once. I'm happy that we have it, and this year's been relatively dry so far, so.
PG&E says it's adding extra crews this weekend to respond to possible outages. They ask customers to be ready.
Charge up your cell phones now. If you do lose power, you can always charge your cell phone in your car, have an extra battery pack. Check your flashlights, make sure your flashlights are working, have batteries ready.
In San Anselmo, we found Christian Centano smoothing some fresh concrete in the rain after it got damaged overnight. Not what you want to be doing today, I guess, right? But
I wasn't planning on doing this today, but it is what it is.
Getting word that PG&E is responding to some power outages across the Bay Area. In the North Bay, about 100 in Sonoma County, 300 in Humboldt County, and we're getting word about a larger outage in the East Bay in Oakland affecting about 1,200 customers. PG&E says it's working hard to restore the power tonight. The CHP asking drivers, take it easy out there because it's going to be wet. Live in Petaluma, Cornell Bernard, ABC 7 News.
All right, and I know you will keep us posted. Cornell, thank you.